In 2020, when Shiba Inu actually started, a lot of people did not believe that the price of Shiba Inu after 2 years can really make a lot of people millionaires. Okay, now Shibadoge is one of the coins that people have actually seen that can represent the new Shiba Inu. But Shibadoge have continued to gain a lot of supporters. Even Ethereum Wells, as of the last 2 weeks, actually bought some Shibadoge before the starting over Shibadoge. Now Shibadoge have gotten the attention of many people and many companies. Now in this video we are going to take a look at Shibadoge price prediction in the year 2030. Why we choose the year 2030 is because the best way to make money with all these coins, especially Shibadoge, that is trading with about 15 zeros according to coinmarketcap.com, according to crypto.com, and according to coinbase.com data. Now Shibadoge, you can actually make a lot of money and you can become a millionaire with Shibadoge token, because the price of Shibadoge in the next 7.5 years to come is going to be a massive bomb. Well, you all know that Shibadoge that is trading with 15 zeros needs a lot of time, because the market cap of Shibadoge at the time of recording this video is about $38,197,681. We are expecting the market cap of Shibadoge to actually hit $1 billion before the middle of next year, and when that happens, expect the price of Shibadoge to have gained over 3,000 to 5,000%. Okay, that is a lot of money. Now in 2030, remember, the price prediction for Shibadoge 2030 is going to be a massive boom, because Shibadoge that is trading with about 15 zeros at the time of recording this video is expected by the next 7.5 years to lose between 3 zeros to 6 zeros. Okay, at least 3 zeros and a maximum of 6 zeros. Now one thing you need to understand about this is that Shibadoge is going to increase in value. In fact, $100 investment on Shibadoge right now, and number 3 is Bitcoin. Now, the market cap will determine how Shibadoge is going to increase in value. Remember, when a coin actually gains a lot of market cap and the market cap is increasing, that simply shows that a lot of people will be attracted to that coin, and that will force and push the price of the coin to gain more rise. Okay, now Shibadoge, on the other hand, the market cap of Shibadoge is still trading at a very low price. Now, a coin that has a market cap of over $5 billion, okay, it will be difficult for that coin to really hit over 200%, because that kind of coin needs over close to $500 billion to $1 trillion market cap in order to hit such amount. But when you take a look at the coins like Shibadoge that still have about 15 zeros, and the market cap of Shibadoge right now is just about $38 million. That will say that before the market cap of Shibadoge can hit just $1 billion, Shibadoge is expected to gain over between 1,000 to 5,000%, and that is a lot of money, you know. Well, Shibadoge is going to hit more. By the time Shibadoge market cap is going to hit that of Shiba Inu or that of Ethereum, by the year 2030, expect the price of Shibadoge to really increase in price. Then another thing Shibadoge needs right now is a community. Shibadoge needs a lot of people to be attracted to Shibadoge, so that Shibadoge can really gain more people, more support, more popularity online. And also Shibadoge needs to burn a lot of trillions and trillions of Shibadoge tokens, because right now trillions of Shibadoge is being circulated out there. Shibadoge also needs top exchange listing, people like Binance, Coinbase, Kucoin, Gate.io, blockchain.com, crypto.com. If they can list Shibadoge, expect this price of Shibadoge to really increase in price. Now in the year 2030, that is the next 7.5 years to come, expect the price of Shibadoge to hit to lose between 3 zeros to 6 zeros. But all this depend on crypto coins in general, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. If the price of Bitcoin can hit $1 million in the year 2030, of course Shibadoge, there's a possibility of Shibadoge will also hit that price level, because Bitcoin is the one pushing every other crypto coin. Right now Bitcoin is trading below $24,000, and if BTC can keep increasing in price, then every other crypto coins, including our Shibadoge, will also increase. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.